A landmark judgment by the Supreme Court has called for the exclusion of the creamy layer among scheduled castes, SCs and scheduled tribes from the reservation benefits. The verdict, which allows subclassification within SCs, was delivered by 7-judge bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. 4 out of 6 judges supporting subclassification explicitly stated that the creamy layer principle should apply to SCs. Currently, this concept is only applicable to the other backward classes, OBCs. Justice B.R. Gavai in his judgment emphasized the need for equality among unequals. The state must evolve a policy for identifying the creamy layer even from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe so as to exclude them from the benefit of affirmative action. In my view, only these and these alone can achieve the real equality and enshrined under the Constitution. Justice Gavai argued that children of SC individuals who have already benefited from reservations should not be treated the same as those who haven't. He suggested different criteria for identifying the creamy layer among SCs, STs compared to OBCs. Justice Pankaj Mithal proposed limiting reservation benefits to the first generation, stating if any member of the first generation has reached a higher status through reservation, then the second generation should not be entitled to reservation. The judgment has reignited debates about the effectiveness and fairness of the current reservation system. Justice Mithal called for a fresh relook at reservation policies and the development of new methods to uplift disadvantaged communities. This ruling builds on previous Supreme Court observations, including the 2018 General Singh case, which suggested applying the creamy layer concept to SCs, STs in the context of promotion reservation. The court's decision aims to ensure that reservation benefit reach the most disadvantaged within the SC community, potentially reshaping affirmative action policies in India.